Colon polyps are abnormal growths that develop on the lining of the colon or rectum. While most polyps are benign, some can develop into colorectal cancer over time. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in reducing the risk of colon polyps and promoting overall colon health. Here are the top 5 foods that can help prevent and manage colon polyps. 1. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and kale are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and sulfur-containing compounds that support detoxification and reduce inflammation. These vegetables contain glucosinolates, which help eliminate carcinogens from the body and may prevent abnormal cell growth in the colon. 2. High-fiber whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread are rich in dietary fiber. Fiber helps promote regular bowel movements, reducing the risk of polyps by preventing the buildup of waste and harmful toxins in the colon. Studies have shown that a high-fiber diet is associated with a lower risk of colorectal polyps and cancer. 3. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and other fatty fish are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation in the colon can increase the risk of polyp formation, and omega-3s help reduce inflammation and support overall gut health. Including fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week may lower your risk of developing colon polyps. 4. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries are high in antioxidants and polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the colon. The high fiber content in berries also supports healthy digestion and may prevent the formation of polyps by keeping the digestive system functioning efficiently. 5. Legumes. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas are nutrient-dense foods packed with fiber, protein, and essential vitamins. The fiber in legumes helps regulate bowel movements and reduces exposure to harmful toxins in the colon. Additionally, legumes contain resistant starch, which supports beneficial gut bacteria and contributes to a lower risk of colorectal polyps. Adopting a diet rich in fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds can significantly lower the risk of colon polyps and improve overall digestive health. Incorporating cruciferous vegetables, whole grains, fatty fish, berries, and legumes into your diet can help maintain a healthy colon and reduce the likelihood of polyp development. Along with a healthy diet, regular screenings and an active lifestyle are essential for colon health and early detection of any abnormalities.